What? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. The pink ones. Let me see the pink ones right there. The pink ones.
These?
Yep. No. Because I knew there was going to be some with pink. Right there. Right there. See the front? Turn around. Turn around. Right there.
Ones.
Yes, indeedy. There you
Shanti,
go.
she got them.
There you go. Don't play with me. I'm going to find it. I'm going to look and I'm going to find it. Don't play with me. And they're cheaper. Look. Bingo.
Nice. Oh yeah, it goes together perfectly. Right?
I'm telling you, I knew it. I knew I would.
Goes
There's
together
no way
perfectly.
you're not going to find earrings this color.
It looks perfect.
Thank you, Nana. Let's go. I think I'm now, Poozie, Shanti.
Yeah. Exactly.
You would. So what does that mean?
Ashanti's young.
Okay, can I ask you?
it looks
Okay,
like a church out
see, you
there.
took the words out. This is the conversation. Does that give only young girl, or does that give businesswoman? Does that give like the
I said
freaking
that.
White House? You literally could wear that.
I said church.
She's all set.
So not to your thing.
I would.
Would that look right, Graham?
But look what I found for mommy, and I think this is
That's what I'm
perfect.
saying for Shala or one of the girls. That's why I thought you were getting
Those
it.
colors?
Are they getting that, or you're saying don't get
I
that?
was gonna. I said,
wanted
what
it
about
for
that for
herself.
me? She said that looks
Yes.
too young. She picked this out, and I do like
I don't
this.
think
I
that-
like
I
this.
think this is cute for mommy. Very popping.
But it's also gonna be cold, and I don't have a shawl.
You have a shawl at home. You can find one, Ma.
That's what I was looking at this morning.
Let's be real.
But that's see-through, too.
This, your whole ass is gonna be out. I'm
Charlotte
telling
is
you now.
wool.
Why
no,
would
it's not. It comes down.
it comes down to almost my knees? Put it up to me.
You want her to look nice. You don't want her to be wearing some
See?
grandmother outfit.
Literally with leggings or something, that's fine.
Leggings?
You don't want her to wear a grandmother outfit.
Or just some
This
oil.
is-
Leggings or oil.
Oh, do what you want. Here. Someone
She's
take
fine.
this. I want to hold you.
No, don't be rude. She's trying to be.
I'm being honest. I'm not even being rude. I'm telling you what I think.
I'm just saying, I just don't want to be sitting there freezing to death if it's cold in there and everything else.
So try to look for some more.
Here, Brianna.
Guys, what do you think? Comment down below. She's saying get this, and I'm saying it's supposed to be. They talking about maybe even snowing on Sunday, a little bit of rain and snow. I like this, but I just don't like how in the store it looks like it's wrinkly. To me, that just looks like it's. I don't know. I don't like the way it looks. And then you have this. I said this. I think it's cute. It's business. It's also can be like outerwear. Like it can be so many things. And she said no. Comment down below, guys. They can. I guess y'all could just. Well, you can go while I'm at work.
You got her the brown one, Mom?
Yeah, the little brown and white dress, cause it's exactly it's small, and I know she could fit it.
I get Budgie wearing brown.
He got a lot of khaki pants though, Budge.